Best drone. Looking for the best drone but not sure which one actually deserves your money? In this video, we're breaking down some of the best drones you can buy right now, from beginner-friendly models to more advanced options with 4K cameras, GPS, long flight times, and smart flight features. We'll look at what each drone does well, where it falls short, and who it's best suited for. So whether you want a drone for travel, aerial photography, content creation, or just casual flying, this list should help you find the right one. Let's get started. Number 5. Potensic ATOM SE GPS Drone. Color: gray. If you want a lightweight GPS drone without jumping straight into a complicated setup, the Potensic ATOM SE is a pretty interesting option. At under 249 grams, it's compact, foldable, and easy to carry when you're traveling or just heading outside for a quick flight. The camera uses a 1/3-inch Sony CMOS sensor and records up to 4K at 30 frames per second, along with 12-megapixel photos. Potensic's Shake-Vanish electronic image stabilization helps smooth out footage, and the 118-degree field of view gives you plenty of room for wide aerial shots. For flying, you get beginner, video, normal, and sport modes. Sport mode reaches a claimed top speed of 16 meters per second, while the brushless motors are designed to handle level 5 winds. GPS also adds useful safety features, including automatic return when the signal is lost or the battery gets low. The Fly More combo is especially useful because it includes 3 batteries for up to 93 minutes of combined flight time. The 60-watt parallel charging hub can charge all 3 batteries together in about 1.5 hours. You also get Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Flight, and up to 4 kilometers of claimed FPV transmission range. One limitation is that a micro SD card isn't included. Overall, the ATOM SE looks like a solid choice for beginners who want portable 4K aerial shooting with GPS features and plenty of included flight time. Pros: 3 batteries provide up to 93 minutes of combined flight time. 4K per 30 frames per second camera with electronic image stabilization. Lightweight foldable design with GPS auto return. Cons: micro SD card is not included. Camera stabilization relies on electronic stabilization. Maximum transmission range depends on actual flying conditions. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Color: gray. The DJI Mini 4K is the kind of drone that makes getting into aerial photography feel a lot less intimidating. It weighs under 249 grams, so it stays extremely portable while still packing some useful features for both new and casual pilots. The biggest highlight is the camera. It records in 4K Ultra HD and uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which helps keep footage smooth when the drone is moving or dealing with light wind. You can also capture 12-megapixel still photos when you want something other than video. Flying is designed to be beginner-friendly. You get one-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, and GPS return to home. DJI also includes quickshots like Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang, which can automatically create more dynamic aerial clips without requiring advanced piloting skills. DJI rates the Mini 4K for level 5 wind resistance, up to 38 kilometers per hour, and its O2 transmission system supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission under specified conditions. The standard package comes with 1 battery rated for up to 31 minutes of flight time, so longer sessions may require additional batteries. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K looks like a strong choice for someone who wants a lightweight beginner drone with stabilized 4K video and straightforward flight controls. Pros: 4K video with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Lightweight 246-gram design with GPS return to home. Beginner-friendly controls and automated quickshots. Cons: standard package includes only 1 battery. Micro SD card is not listed as included. Android users must download DJI Fly from DJI's official website. Number 3. Loiley 2K HD FPV Drone. Color: black-orange. The Loiley 2K FPV drone is designed to make your first few flights simple, while still giving you enough features to have some fun with aerial photos and videos. Up front, you get a 2K HD camera with a 90-degree remotely adjustable angle. Connect your phone over Wi-Fi, and you can see the camera feed in real time while you're flying. It's not positioned as a professional camera drone, but for casual outdoor shots and learning the basics, the setup is pretty approachable. Beginners also get one key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and upgraded optical flow positioning. Those features are useful because they can help the drone maintain a more stable position while you concentrate on controlling it. There's also gravity sensing and adjustable speed, plus a 360-degree flip feature when you just want to have some fun. The foldable design measures about 5 by 3 by 2 inches when folded, making it easy to pack into the included carrying bag. 2 rechargeable batteries provide approximately 26 minutes of combined flight time. Propeller guards and spare blades are also included. One thing to note is that the supplied specifications list the weight as 1.1 pounds while the product description separately claims it is under 250 grams, so the detail is inconsistent. Overall, this looks like a practical starter drone for casual flying rather than serious aerial filmmaking. Pros: 2K camera with remotely adjustable 90-degree angle. 2 batteries provide around 26 minutes of combined flight time. Beginner-friendly flight modes and optical flow positioning. Cons: camera resolution is more suited to casual use than professional filming. Flight time is split between 2 separate batteries. Listed weight information is inconsistent. Number 2. Potensic ATOM 2 Fly More Combo. Color: gray. The Potensic ATOM 2 Fly More Combo feels built for anyone who wants a compact camera drone without giving up some genuinely useful creative features. At just 245 grams, it stays lightweight and easy to carry, especially with the included shoulder bag. For imaging, it uses a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor that captures 48 megapixel photos and records 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second. More importantly, the camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal, so your footage should look noticeably smoother during normal flight. You also get 2.7K vertical shooting, 4x digital zoom, P-log, panorama, slow motion, dolly zoom, cine roll, and quick shots. Another standout is AI tracking, with spotlight, follow, and parallel modes for keeping a subject framed automatically. There's also an AI night shot feature designed to improve nighttime footage. This version includes the PTD1 controller with a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen, meaning you don't have to rely on your phone while flying. PicSync 4.0 supports up to 10 kilometers of transmission under suitable conditions. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 96 minutes of combined flight time, and the parallel charging hub can recharge all 3 together. Overall, the ATOM 2 looks like a well-equipped option for travelers and content creators who want stabilized 4K shooting in a lightweight package. Pros: 4K HDR camera with 3-axis mechanical gimbal. 3 batteries provide up to 96 minutes combined flight time. Built-in 5.5-inch display eliminates the need for a phone. Cons: 4K video tops out at 30 frames per second based on the provided specifications. 4x zoom is digital rather than optical. Advanced shooting modes may take beginners some time to learn. Number 1. PLEGBLE PL515 4K Drone. Color: black. The PLEGBLE PL515 is aimed at beginners who want an affordable, lightweight drone with a camera and simple controls. At around 120 grams, it's easy to carry, and the foldable design makes it convenient to pack into the included storage bag. The camera is advertised with 4K capture and an adjustable 90-degree lens, so you can change your shooting angle while flying. There's also a shock-absorbing camera mount designed to reduce vibration, while Wi-Fi FPV lets you watch the live view from your smartphone. For flight control, the PL515 uses brushless motors, altitude hold, adjustable speed, and ground detection technology to help maintain a more stable hover. Beginners also get a child lock-style startup procedure to help prevent accidental takeoff, and propeller guards are included for additional protection. 2 1,500 mAh batteries provide up to 32 minutes of combined flight time. You can also perform 360-degree flips when you want something more playful than basic flying. The maximum listed control range is 100 meters, so this is better suited to close-range recreational flying than long-distance aerial exploration. One thing worth noting is that the supplied specifications mention 4K camera capture, but separately list 1920 by 1080 video output, so the exact recorded video specification is somewhat unclear. Overall, the PL515 seems best suited to beginners who want a compact drone for learning basic flying and casual FPV shooting. Pros: lightweight foldable design with brushless motors. 2 batteries provide up to 32 minutes combined flight time. Altitude hold, adjustable speed, and beginner-friendly safety features. Cons. Maximum listed control range is only 100 meters. 4K and 1080p video specifications are inconsistent. Designed more for casual flying than advanced aerial photography.